Nou ja, ons stap ek hier by die Echo Caves. Die Echo grotte. Ons gaan 'n bietjie kyk hoe lyk dit hier so. Kom kyk gou hier so, miskien.
En op ons honeymoon het jy dit vir my gewys om daai souljag.
Ja. Wiana. Lekker. Ja. Mooi, nie? Ja, hy is ook. Oh, your guide.
Yes.
Okay. Can you leave us in there? Hierso gaan ons nou in die grotte in. Ons nou van daar af gekom. Hier gaan ons nou in. En hulle sê die apies kan nie hier saamkom. Big step. Oh! Hit it. Down there is high. Hey, mooi ding. Mooi lekker. Vang het mooi op. Ja, dit is iets om te beleef. Ons nou R35 per persoon betaal. Maar, dis die moeite waard. Oh man, this thing's doesn't echo. Dis nogal hoë trappe. Frankie te volg. Dis nogal ongelooflik. Dis bo, dis 90 grade. Is jy klaar moeg? Nog steeds moeg. Ek is ook nog steeds moeg. Ja.
Okay, thank you. You are welcome in Madonna Cave.
Thank you.
I'm Johnny, I'm a volunteer tour guide. Okay, this cave is natural. It's formed by water, underground river, plus minus 500 million years ago. And natural caves are formed of limestone. It belongs to the family of sedimentary rock called the Dolomite rock. And they name it Dolomite rock after a Frenchman, Tholomyès, was a geologist. And the Dolomite rock is a sedimentary rock formed as a result from chemical deposition by the precipitation of compounds of calcium. And the Dolomite rock contains two other compounds, which are magnesium carbonate and manganese oxide. Okay? This is the Dolomite rock on top, the black rock, the Dolomite. And the white one is the limestone. It's from the Dolomite rock. It's formed by water and calcium from the Dolomite rock. And most caves occur since this type of rock is soluble in rainwater. Acidic rain seeps in and dissolves calcite from the Dolomite rock and gradually producing hollows. As the rain continues to drip, it leaves behind the tiny calcite sediments. And this deposit accumulates to form stalactite and stalagmite and column where these two meet. All right. Okay, this cave was discovered by Dan Claassen in 1981 through Echo Caves and was opened for public in 1986.
Okay.
They call it Madonna Cave because of the stage on top. Follow this white dropping.
Yeah.
That's stage on top.
Okay.
Looks like Mother Mary.
Okay, there's a sort of a stalagmite.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the color, stalactite, the combination of stalactite and
Stalagmite,
stalagmite.
yeah. Okay. Got that nice. So it's the Madonna Caves.
But if you have to think it was all water, it must be massive, a massive amount of water coming through here.
Yeah.
Is there still water?
No. But there's some water.
Did they pump it out?
Yeah.
Did they drain it?
Yeah, when it's
Okay.
coming, it'll come inside.
Okay. Down there, what's that white?
Which one?
This
That
one, it's just pieces that broke loose, or is it this pieces that fall,
No.
that fell down?
The rocks.
Okay. I don't need a lot of light to see down there. So, let's go. Yeah. Okay, can we move on? Jy nou 'n fotootjie geneem.
Ja, ek wil ekstra mekaar.
Neem maar so 'n foto terug. Jy behoort dan iets op die kamera te kry. Flash. Okay. It's all right. Kyk mooi op die kamera.
Yes.
Aha, yeah. So they call this oshiche. And if I kick it, it's broken. Aye.
Yes, but I was thinking like of the quartz finger in Namibia. They're also thinking it will never fall apart. And it did.
Iets ongeloofliks. yellow.
Ooh,
Dis meer geel.
Is that rock? Maybe it's because of the lights.
Kyk die mushroomies.
Super nie dat hulle sê ek doen dit.
Ja.
Okay. We have another type of rock here. It started like a soil. They
Okay.
call it chet. It started soft, but after some years, it became very, very hard. You can feel it still.
Chat.
This is just points standing out, no?
Pardon?
This is just awkward points coming out.
Still soft.
It's hollow because there's air inside. So as soon as you do this, it's got a hollow. It's got a hollow.
Yeah, but after some years,
Sound.
it became very, very, very hard.
Yeah. Wat jy 'n bietjie? Moet jy maar 'n bietjie af. Kyk hoe kop is.
Look for
Maar net eind. En hom opgevul het. Die klein goed.
Ja.
Okay. We have two ways here. If you don't want to use the stairs, you use the tunnel. This is a short tunnel. It's going to meet.
Oh, up there. And how narrow is it?
Scrawly.
Ach no, you can go through on your knees.
Yes, let's be adventurous.
Hallo. Ek het nou sommer hier om die draai gekom. Hulle het sommer daar uitgekom. Nou ja, ek is die kameraman. Kameraman kan altyd cheat. Niemand weet dit nie.
Was this like the natural way or did you
It's a natural way.
a small narrow passages?
Okay, that's my direction.
Ja, nee. Ek soek 'n skaar man. Scarface. Where did you get this? At Eagle Caves. And the other eye? No. Kyk die boomwortels, kom hulle af.
Dit lyk amper vergeet is.
Ja. Die boomwortels hierso. Of dit lyk dis die kragkabels, hulle laat dit net lyk soos boomwortels. Clever.
And how deep does the pipes go into the earth?
So it is 8 meters deep.
18.
18 meters, okay.
You can feel this chet is very hard now.
Yeah. That's hard.
And it's not hollow anymore, eh? What happened to all the stalactites and stalagmites?
I was still going that.
People broke it down.
Some of them are broken.
Yeah. Because you can see there's a lot of damage been done to the... If I go in here, will I ever get out?
Yeah?
If I go in here,
That's very dark. But it's another cave. Unexplored.
unexplored. Ah! I'll see you tomorrow. And in there also?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll see you. Okay. That one there. Ja.
Oh, hier is al nie vleermuis.
Hang hy.
Ja.
Ag, moeder. Kan ons hom pluk en eet?
Die proef nie.
O, vleermuisie. Hy hou van die hitte. Jy's my flippin lelik maar. Smile.
Hier is water.
Yes.
Nat is hy.
Wat? Nie hande is vuil ook nie.
Nee, dis hier.
Uitsaal. Julle kolonie. Môre maatjies.
We never see them up close and personal. They're almost in flight when you see them.
Okay, go down.
I'm stuck. I'm too fat. Eish man. Come and pull me, my ass is in the way. Nee man. My skat. Ek is te vet vir die goeders. Ek pas hier in nie. No people over 120 kilograms.
Yeah.
They don't fit through you. Okay, where are we now?
Okay, this is the end of Madonna Cave, which means we are now entering Echo Caves.
Okay.
They break here to combine these two caves. They describe Madonna Cave through the opening that we closed here.
Okay.
That's a very small opening.
But they filled it up sort of also. Okay.
Okay, we have to bend this very low here.
So I would have discovered another cave if I went through there.
Yeah, there's lots of caves.
Hey, chief man. I could have been
Famous.
right
Famous
into the
and rich.
future. Yay. Is op jou rug? Is op jou boutjies? Okay, kom ek. Eina! Au! Eina!
Daar's nog 'n gaatjie in.
Nou gaan ons daarin. En nou het my gewaarborg ek kan nie daardeur gaan nie. Ja, gaan ook nie kans vat nie. Hierdie is die einde van Madonna Caves en ons gaan nou in Echo Caves in. So hopelik kan ons nou ons Echo hoor. Echo. Ja, dis Echo Caves. Echo. Ah, daar's hier Echo. Ons het nou daar uitgekom. Ja, weet al die stalagtiete is afgebreek, nie? If we go in here, what is in there?
I still going there.
Huh?
I still going there.
Oh, we're still going there.
Okay, you are welcome again in Echo Cave. When you take a short tour, you start here because our reception is here. Okay, this cave was used by the Bapeli people in 18th century for hiding themselves away from the Swazi people. They were using this cave as a hiding place. And they said they were using the baboon tail tree as their lights. Did you know the baboon tail tree?
No.
For young style.
Yeah?
Yeah, they said they put animals fat on top of it and they light it.
Okay.
And then very slowly. Okay.
It looks like elephant skin, eh?
Yeah. Okay. And this cave was rediscovered in 1923 and was opened for public in 1959. We have 4 chambers in this cave. We have Elephant's Chamber, Crocodile's Chamber, Samson's Chamber, and Crystal Palace. We are now in the first chamber, Elephant's Chamber. They call it Elephant's Chamber because of this formation.
And the skin is got.
Yeah, the skin. Okay, you take some picture before we go further.
Okay, waar is die kamera? Nou, probeer my 'n fotootjie te neem. Neem die kamera, dis kom ek amper die ander kamera gebruik. Die goed.
Dit is okay. Dit is genoeg lig daar.
Dank.
Maar
Anders gee vir my alles aan doen ek. Hy's hol aan die binnekant, né? You see, they broke off everything.
Okay. We have the stalactites and the stalagmites here. Started to fall. These are the stalactites, heavy, and the stalagmites are dead on the ground. And after some millions of years, they are going to join together. Yeah, to form a crown like that. After some millions of years, because they said the growth rate of the stalagmite is 2.5 centimeter per 100 years.
Sure. So that will be more than 100 years old.
Yeah. And they don't have the growth rate of the stalactite, but it grows quicker than the stalagmite because the water comes down.
If you look at this new growth on these ones, you can actually say they were all broken off when the cave was open and not controlled. People breaks it off, they take it home. So the new growth is maybe 50 years old or so, that it already grew about 3 centimeters or so. Yeah, it's interesting. It's just sad.
Okay.
Nou, hierdie grot is vir jou gemaak. My kopstamp.
It's not for fat people and not for tall people.
Okay. That people, the Wapeli people, they were using this place as their kitchen. They used to cook here. They said they found granite stones and clay pots here after they opened this cave.
Okay.
That's why the roof is still black with the smoke.
Ah.
Very black.
Oh, you can see it's quite black.
And they were using this little hole as their chimney.
Where?
That one.
Oh, alright, so the smoke went through there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Up into the top.
Yeah, but now it's closed.
Okay.
There goes flying
When
mice
it's,
or what do
when
you
it's
call it?
raining, the water comes inside.
Oh.
That's why they close it.
Okay.
Okay, let's wait. There's another group. That's it. Let's wait for them to finish.
Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! You're quite black at the back, at the top here.
Years and years.
Ons gaan nou daar deur gaan.
There's rocks as well.
Okay, go down.
Well, they're going to be noisy in there. Ah. Ek gaan sommer boor klim. Waar's julle nou? Oh, maar ek het nou verdwaal. O. Oh. Jette, hier is nog mooi is. Baie mooi is. Baie mooi stalaktiete. Kyk, hulle stalaktiet hang.
Okay. We are now in the second chamber, a crocodile's chamber. They named it crocodile's chamber because of this formation.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
It's like a crocodile. Even the stalactite. That one. It's like a head of a crocodile.
Okay.
You can see many stalactites are broken off. When
Yeah.
they opened this cave, they found them broken. Some of them broken. We think it's not people, they were pretty people. Maybe they were using it as their weapons. But some of them are broken by the tourists after they opened this cave.
Yeah.
Is broken by loud noise as well?
No. What they did is if you take this, it's calcium, and you punch it and you make a powder of it, it's a cement.
Yeah.
Because it's got lime in it.
Yeah.
And they use that lime to build. That's why in the old days they broke out this line and took it out and they made it into powder.
Okay.
And they used that to build. That's interesting.
Okay. And that one is like a beehive.
Very fine grit. Interesting. Is daar nog 'n paar wat nog heel is?
Okay. We are standing under the ostrich formation. This looks like an ostrich.
Oi,
Yes.
like the legs.
Legs in the body and the tail.
And this is a male ostrich because it's black and white. The female is always grey.
Good stuff.
You have very good imaginations here. Very descriptive ones.
Yeah, this is.
Jy vind hierdie.
Weird, nee?
Ja.
So glad. Ja. Is dit dan fantasties. Hierdie goed is blink gevat met mense se hande, nê? Dis kom hy so blink. Dis mense se hande wat hom so vat. Sweet en
Okay.